Hey there, quick note before we dive in. What you're watching right now is a lesson from one of my courses that I've decided to release completely for free here on YouTube so you don't have to pay a dime. So instead of asking you to buy my course, if you want to show your appreciation, here's a couple of things that you can do. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. These small actions tell YouTube to share my content with more people, which is a huge help. Also, feel free to check out my recommended equipment links in the description below. If you do purchase equipment from these links, I do get a small commission at no extra cost to you whatsoever. Or if you want to, you can leave me a super thanks or even just hit play on one of my playlists. I know it sounds silly, but if you just hit play on one of my playlists and let it play in the background, even if you're not paying attention, it tells YouTube, hey, people are watching these videos. I'm going to push it out to more people. So even if you just want to do that, I would love it. I would appreciate it so much. And then lastly, if you're looking for more personalized help, I do offer private coaching that you can find in the description of this video. Either way, I really appreciate you, whether you choose to do one of these things or not. Just by simply watching this video, it means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Now, let's get to the lesson. Okay, so as usual, we first need to understand what dynamic EQ is before we can use it successfully and confidently. The easiest way to think about dynamic EQ is it's literally just a compressor for EQ, or, better yet, it's a multiband compressor for EQ. So to break it down simply, with a standard EQ, when you take something away, right? So let's just take something away from this audio. Once you take that away, and I'm going to turn these off. Once you take these frequencies away from the audio, once you take that away and you hit apply, watch this. It took away those frequencies. They're gone. They're gone for good. That's it. However, and I'm going to undo this. What if there's something happening in your audio, like these periodic bursts of a different tone here? These are tones I've generated, you'll understand in the next video. But if you have something happening in your audio, and it's not happening all the time, it's just every once in a while, and you want to take care of this, that is where dynamic EQ comes into play. Now, yes, you could go out of your way and find every single time something's happening in the audio and cut it out, or there's many different ways you could go about it, but most of those ways are really cumbersome. They take a lot of time and it's a lot of effort to go through and do this. But if you use something like dynamic EQ, it makes it much, much easier to deal with. And that's what we're going to do in the next video. Like I said, I've generated some tones here, and I'm going to give you an idea or an example of how you would use dynamic EQ to take care of these little instances. And then I'm also going to use dynamic EQ on some audio right here that I've recorded for a YouTube video. And I'm going to show you how I use dynamic EQ in all of my audio when I'm recording audio for my YouTube videos. All right, see you in the next video.